Okay, so here's a problem that we have a tangent and a secant, and we're going to understand we have an outside part of our secant and the whole thing. If this is x plus 2 and this is x, the whole thing would be 2x plus 2, just combining like terms. So when we set up our problem, it's going to be the the tangent squared, which would be 2 squared, equals the outside times the whole thing. So you get 4 is equal to 2x squared plus 2x. It's a quadratic, so you're going to set it equal to 0. Hopefully you notice that this is a GCF. GCF is 2, so pull it out. It just makes factoring easier. And then when you're trying to factor and get a negative 2, and a positive 1 in the middle, it's x plus 2, x minus 1. Okay, and then here we get our answers from this to be x equals negative 2 and positive 1. And this negative 2 wouldn't make sense because you can't have a segment that's negative. So you only have one answer, and it is x equals 1. Okay, and we have one more video. They all have been short and sweet, so that's good.